Okay, y'all, so something's up with this mower. I don't know what it is. It sounds like the idler pulley on the hydros. I don't know. I'm gonna crank it up and let y'all hear it, and y'all can, you gotta kind of hear these type of things. I don't know that that's what it is. Could be something stuck up in there, but look. Y'all hear that? Yeah. That don't sound good. It don't sound like no stick. But I guess it could be. So I'm gonna crawl under here and see what's up, man. Another reason why I like having the same mowers, y'all, because I identify things a lot quicker and I can find the issues a lot faster. I don't see anything obvious, which is not good. So that's what it is right there, y'all. The belt's still on there, but this pulley's ate up. Yeah. Yeah, I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but that pulley shot this pulley right here. So good to know, because I'll be over there close to the dealer over the weekend. So yeah. But what can happen is the belt doesn't feel hot or nothing. But let me stick my hand. I'm trying, I don't know how good y'all can see that, because I don't know how good this is a GoPro. It doesn't do that great. But y'all can see it's really rough. Yeah. So yeah. This shit don't ever end, y'all. They don't ever end. To make top dollar, I said top dollar, you know, it don't ever end. And you might be out here turning around saying what you're doing, but to make top dollar, there's always some shit go wrong, man. It's always like that, yeah. So it's about right, about every 300 or 400 hours. That's about right. So, and that pulley, I don't know what it costs, but it's chump change. I may have one at home, and you know, if that was in an emergency, I could take one off the surgeon mower and put on here. See, that's how that's what I like about having the same mowers. But I'm gonna creep over there where he's at, and he's right next door here, and jump on his mower. And yeah, what you don't want to do is you don't want this thing, the belt to break, or the pulley go all the way out, because then you got to push it, and pushing these mowers is a job. Well, Ray, you can release the hydros. I know, but still pushing them with the hydros released, it's a job I ain't trying to do. So yeah, so we'll just jump on this one. All good. Okay, so I'm gonna stop by the steel dealer. I gotta get that idler for the hydros for the Laser Z. Well, hell, it's the newest mower I got at 350 hours or something on it. Y'all saw that idler was fitting to go, so I want to go on and get one. And you know, I know there's gonna be some people coming in comments and say, "Well, man, see Exmark, you know, they got plastic pulleys. That's the only plastic pulley on the whole mower." And I guarantee you, there's an engineering reason why. I don't know what it is, but there's a reason why that's the only plastic one on the machine. I'm sure there is an engineering reason. My dealer here, they're good people, man. They're one of the bigger dealers here. You know, Exmark, Skag, Steel dealer here. Well, and probably one of the bigger dealers in the state, but I don't know if they're the biggest. There's probably some up north side that's a lot bigger. But on the south side, these are the go-to folks. So yeah. So now I'm headed over here, and I'm not gonna I don't have the mower with me that needs the idler. So this is the pulley that it's all ate up in there. I don't know if the bearings are out. Usually what ends up happening with these pulleys right here is the edges start getting worn down. So, you know, you don't really, I don't know that I've had the bearings go out on one of these yet. But I've replaced, over the years, I've replaced a boatload of these, man. It's a beautiful day, man. It's 70 degrees right now. I mean, I love 70 degrees. I do. But I don't know how much this was, because at the end of the day, it really don't matter. You know, I mean, it could be $100 and you'd have to buy it. You know, so I bought another extra belt for the mowers when one breaks. Because I used my extra one the other day, so bought another one. I don't really like having 3 or 4 of these belts. They're $100 each. 120 each, and I don't like having, you know, 4 or 5 of them around, because you might need it this year, you might not, and then usually by the time you need it, you can't find it. I got a lot of junk, man, so you need more organized, Ray. I know, you're right about that, for sure. All right, y'all, so I'm in the shop. We're gonna put this on. Y'all know what it is, man. So I got to go on and do this, because tomorrow I'm not going to have the forks on or nothing. I'm going to be over there brush cutting tomorrow, so yeah. So now, I don't recommend anybody do this at home. I've been picking stuff up for a long time, and I've been picking these mowers up. Well, I was picking them up when I had a freaking tractor. So, I mean, having this skid steer was actually better than a lift, because I can take it anywhere. So yeah, let me turn the air on just a little bit. I'm getting a little bit, you know. So see how this thing does. I might not even like the microphones, y'all, because y'all might be picking up every little sound I make. So you ready to go up? Going up. So what I do is what I always do first is I tilt back. I make sure that the machine is all the way against where it goes, and then I just tilt back. And then up. Then I tilt it all. Once I get it on there, and I see that it's stable, and I know it's stable because I picked it up last night. I thought it'd be a good video. Most people, you know. So now I'm gonna tilt it back toward me. See, and it can't fall. The forks are underneath it, man. I mean, it can't fall. Get a trash can, there's a lot of grass out right here. So I guess first thing I'll do is get my 1/2 inch ratchet, put in that square right there. Y'all see that square right there? That's what it's for. Let me try. I'm going the right way. Good, yes. Yeah. That's a G. He's been doing this forever, so. Belt off, and we'll take this out. And this is one. See this grease fitting? This is there's 2 grease fittings on this whole machine. It's right here on this idler, and it's up on the. On this idler too, see it? I greased this one yesterday. I didn't see no point in greasing this one because, well, I gotta, you know. All right. Wash her off. This arm right here is about $200, so. Always look at it, but you see, if you see that rough, that's what ends up happening. It ends up rubbing one side or the other, and that's beat up, man. Something might have got hung up in there, and you don't feel this if something gets hung up in there like you do on the deck belt pulley. So, yeah, and I put the mowers through hell. I mean, this pulley was only like 18 bucks, something like that. This is nothing. So, again, it's really kind of common sense. It can only go back on one way. So, but what gets you is you can't just reach under there and undo that because that's up. I just look like this, y'all. And it doesn't matter which way you put it on, they're both the same way. I like to do this, and you don't have to. I don't know why, I just do. When I'm doing this kind of thing with bearings and stuff, I don't know, man. I want it all, I want grease. If I don't do this today, and tomorrow I have to hurry up and get off work with the brush cutter. I have to hurry up and unload everything. I have to hurry up and do this. So I need to do it Saturday and Sunday. Have a good story. Spring's pretty big. Let me grab some spring. See? Phone cable's good for a lot of stuff. And notice that belt is there. Super simple. All right, man. I need to get this done so I can drop the fork and put the and load the brush cutter on. Here you go. There you go. All right. Well, both of them have been greased. So now we're going to set it down. And we'll go around the skid steer and grease it. Y'all see this pulley? The bearings is not what went out. So the bearings were, and these are sealed. All the bearings on these Exmarks are sealed bearings. So yeah, damn right, that pulley don't sound like it had something got hung up in there or something. But I've had it happen quite a bit. But I do put the mowers in stuff that maybe a lot of you guys might not put it in. That's, well, you know, the mower's got to make money for me. I'd rather put the mower in it than my body in it. All right, y'all.